While returning home, Lucas and Marcus receives a call from Demi, and Demi tells Lucas and Marcus that why are you both standing at the door. Then Lucas and Marcus are surprised to hear Demi words because Lucas and Marcus are driving, and Demi thinks that Lucas and Marcus are trying to joke, and Demi is about to unlock the door and the call hangs up, and Lucas and Marcus also stop Demi from opening the door, but Demi call has already hung up, and all the suspicion of Lucas and Marcus is going to the evil twins that there may be evil twins at the door, which Demi actually think is Lucas and Marcus. Then Lucas tries to talk to Demi again on the call, but Demi is not answering the call, and Lucas and Marcus are a short distance from the house and they are afraid that the evil twins may have taken Demi. Then Lucas tries to watch the footage of the house, and in the footage the evil twins are seen at the front door, and Lucas and Marcus are surprised why the evil twins have come back. And then in the footage it is seen that the evil twins have picked up Demi, and Lucas and Marcus are shocked to see all this, and Lucas and Marcus also reach back home, and Lucas and Marcus are very careful, and Lucas and Marcus find Demi phone on the door which might have fallen from Demi, and Lucas and Marcus are worried about where they might have taken Demi. Then Lucas and Marcus first try to find Demi in the house, and Lucas and Marcus pick up a bat for safety, and there is silence everywhere in the house, and then Lucas and Marcus go outside the house to find Demi, and they think Demi might be somewhere in the woods, and Marcus goes inside the animal house and checks, but no one is inside, and Lucas and Marcus can't find Demi anywhere, and Lucas and Marcus don't understand where to find Demi because Lucas and Marcus have seen Demi everywhere around the wood, and it's getting dark and Demi is nowhere to be found. Then Lucas sees a rope outside the tree house, and then Lucas checks the tree house, but Demi is not there either. But Lucas and Marcus continue to search for Demi, and they have to find Demi before it gets dark. And then Lucas hears something from this side of the woods, and Lucas and Marcus see that Demi is hiding behind a tree in the woods, and Demi is telling Lucas and Marcus to go away, and Lucas and Marcus are trying to convince Demi that we are not the evil twins, and Demi is thinking of Lucas and Marcus as the evil twins, and then finally Demi believes Lucas and Marcus, and Demi starts going back home with Lucas and Marcus.